99. The Brave Raindrop's Journey. In the fluffy clouds high up in the sky, there lived a tiny raindrop named Rory. Rory was brave in many ways, but there was one thing that scared him falling to the ground. Whenever the clouds rumbled and the wind blew, Rory held on tight to his cloud. He didn't want to leave the safe and cozy sky. One day, a friendly breeze whispered to Rory, "Don't be afraid, little raindrop. Falling can be an adventure." Rory felt nervous but curious. He peeked over the edge of the cloud and saw the world below. There were green forests, blue rivers, and a big ocean. The breeze gently carried Rory closer to the edge. He felt his tummy tickle as he left the cloud. Rory was falling. As he fell, Rory felt scared at first, but then he realized something amazing. He was not alone. Other raindrops were falling too, and together, they made a soft, soothing sound. Rory landed on a leaf in the forest. He felt happy to be part of something new. He watched as the sun warmed the forest and turned him into a tiny droplet of water. The warm sun turned Rory into a mist that rose into the sky. He joined the other misty droplets and formed a cloud once again. Up in the cloud, Rory felt different. He was proud of his adventure. He had overcome his fear and learned about the water cycle. From that day on, Rory looked forward to falling to the ground and becoming part of the Earth's beautiful cycle. He knew that even though things might be scary at first, they could also lead to wonderful discoveries. And so, the brave little raindrop's journey taught him that facing fears and embracing change can bring new experiences and a deeper understanding of the world around us.